You're walking down a street. A stranger looks directly at you. For half a second, before you even decide to, your whole body freezes. But the real reason has nothing to do with being shy. Scientists have a name for this. It's called the eye contact effect, and it happens faster than conscious thought. Researchers using brain scans found that direct eye contact activates the amygdala, the brain's threat detection center, within milliseconds of the gaze landing on you. Not after you think about it, before. Why would a stranger's eyes trigger the same circuit as danger? Because, for nearly all of human history, a direct stare almost never came from a friend. Think about how predators hunt. A lion doesn't glance at its prey. It locks eyes and holds them, tracking exactly where you are before it moves. Prey animals, including early humans, evolved a fast, automatic response to that specific signal. A sustained direct gaze meant something was tracking you, and tracking meant danger. Your ancestors, who froze first and assessed second, survived more often than the ones who kept walking obliviously. That half-second freeze wasn't fear of embarrassment. It was a threat scan, running a check before your conscious mind even had the chance to say, "That's just a stranger." This wiring starts shockingly early. Developmental psychologists studying infants have found that newborns, only hours old, already orient toward a pair of eyes faster than almost any other shape shown to them. You didn't learn to fear a direct gaze. You arrived already built to notice one. Here's where it gets stranger. Researcher Nathalie George, who has studied the neuroscience of gaze perception for years, found that this effect is so automatic, it activates even when the eye contact is fake. Like a photograph, a drawing, or a security camera dome shaped vaguely like an eye. Your brain doesn't wait for proof of intent. A pair of eyes pointed at you is enough to trip the alarm. This is also why total strangers making eye contact on a train or in an elevator feels so uniquely uncomfortable. It's not social awkwardness dressed up as biology. It's ancient biology dressed up as a modern elevator ride. It even explains something stranger about your phone. Notice how a video call, where someone's eyes are pointed directly at the camera for the entire conversation, feels more draining than talking face to face. In person, eyes naturally drift to a hand, a window, a passing thought. On a video call, that gaze rarely breaks. Your ancient alarm system was never designed for an hour of uninterrupted, direct stare, and by the end of the call, it shows. Now here's the twist most people never consider. This same circuit is also why sustained eye contact, in the right context, can feel so intense the other way. During a conversation with someone you trust, or a quiet moment of real connection, the exact same alarm system that once scanned for predators now doubles as your radar for genuine human closeness. One evolutionary tool, two completely different modern uses: threat detection and intimacy detection, running on the exact same wiring, just interpreted differently depending on who's looking and how safe you already feel. That's also why the two feelings are so easy to confuse at first. A stranger's stare and a loved one's stare fire the same initial alarm. Your brain only relaxes it a fraction of a second later, once it recognizes the face attached to those eyes. So the next time a stranger's glance makes you freeze on a sidewalk, for no clear reason, you're not being oversensitive. You're running a scan that kept your ancestors alive for hundreds of thousands of years, still checking in half a second whether those eyes belong to a threat or simply another person walking past, doing the exact same automatic check on you.